Can you see yourself in the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe? This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows. Getting the job done feels good. Getting it done in upscale comfort feels even better. Drive the Tahoe.